Well, I'm back up north, and I am happy to be here. I can't breathe. We're at 5,800 feet. It'll clear up in a couple of days. Everything's going great. I lost my bag with the cameras in it. I don't know where they're at, so this is on my phone. They'll turn up. I took them out of the van somewhere, set them down, and they're here somewhere. Anyway, as you know, I put casters on the legs for my wood lathe, my Delta 46460, and I move it around. Down south, I literally have to do that because the shop is just, it's a shed. Okay, I can't work in there. And I do more than just wood turning. I do a lot of stuff in there, and having wood shavings and dust everywhere, it just doesn't work. So I've got casters on this. The issue is, and if you watch my unboxing video, one thing I'm never happy with is this leg kit. I don't know if it's a third-party Delta thing, but I don't care. I put casters on it, I roll it around. This metal here is just bending and tweaking, and it's not happy. So I'm gonna make a cap on it. I'm gonna reinforce it. Never did anything like this before. Haven't welded in a very long time. So let's go figure this out. This is the leg assembly, upside down. And I just wanted to show you what I'm working with here. This here is 060 metal, square tube, not the strongest in the world, and you could see just how using a caster on it is bending it. So I need to strengthen this whole area. Now another issue I'm dealing with, and I'll show you one with the caster in place, is I put a washer in here trying to spread the load. That didn't help because that nut there stands proud of the back side of this bearing race. So what I want to do is I want to kind of recess the nut and everything so that this bearing race here makes contact with the actual metal. So I'm going to put a piece in here, and basically I'm just going to make a C channel. I'm going to make a little C channel that'll slide over here like a cap, and then mount it up like that. So that's the game plan. So let's get going. wanted to do a little bit of a check fit. I did a 3/8 hole there and a bigger hole there, I don't know what it is. But that had to clear the nut on this guy here. So if all works well, yep, it worked. So the nut falls into the hole there and lines up. What that does, I don't know if you can see it from there, but it brings this face here, this face right here, it brings it all the way in contact with this instead of just that tiny little nut surface there. So let me get everything set up here. I'll weld it and I'll bring you back. I'd show you the welding, but I don't know if it's going to destroy my camera. So besides, I'm not a good welder. So let me grind off all the bad stuff first before you see it. And here it is. Here's the piece all welded together and welded in. I need more practice welding. I absolutely love doing it. You need helmet time, and I just don't have the helmet time to make them come out good. So anyway, let it cool, paint it up, and then do the final assembly, and I'll bring you back when it's all together. Here it is all assembled, painted up and assembled. And one of the things I was trying to achieve is I was trying to get this guy here completely flush with the leg support that I just put in there, the brace that I just put in there, and it is. It's completely flush, so that nut it's actually buried inside here. You can see the thickness here. It went from basically 060. I've tripled it, okay, because that's a 125, so there's twice. So, well, I've added twice the thickness on there, and I put the fender washer back up in here. I still have to tighten it down, but there you go. We'll put the end cap on it and do it 3 more times, then I can get the wood lathe up and going. Is it perfect? Nope. Did we make progress? Yes, it's much, much stronger.